Task number 3, features of Burp community. We are inside Burp Suite, the basics, which is part of complete beginner path on TryHackMe. Although Burp Suite community offers a more limited feature set compared to the professional edition, it still provides an impressive array of tools that are highly valuable for web application testing. Let's explore some of the key features. We have a proxy. The Burp proxy is the most renowned aspect of Burp Suite. It enables interception and modification of requests and responses while interacting with web applications. Repeater. These two basically are, you will use these two a lot. Another well-known feature, the repeater, allows for capturing, modifying, and resending the same request multiple times. This functionality is particularly useful when crafting payloads through trial and error. For example, in SQL injection, we have structured query language injection, or testing the functionality of an endpoint for vulnerabilities. The intruder. Despite rate limitations in Burp Suite community, intruder allows for spraying endpoints with requests. It is commonly utilized for brute force attacking or fuzzing endpoints. The decoder. This one is another amazing. I mean, each of these tools are so amazing. The decoder offers a valuable service for data transformation. It can decode captured information or encode payloads before sending them to the target. While alternative services exist for this purpose, leveraging the decoder within Burp Suite can be highly efficient. Yes, it's amazing. Comparer, as the name suggests, the comparer enables the comparison of two pieces of data at either the word or byte level. While not exclusive for Burp Suite, the ability to send potential large data segments directly to a comparison tool with a single keyboard shortcut significantly accelerates the process. The sequencer. Sequencer is typically employed when assessing the randomness of tokens, such as session cookie values or other supposedly random generated data. If the algorithm used for generating these values lacks secure randomness, it can expose the venues for devastating attacks. Beyond the built-in features, the Java codebase of Burp Suite facilitates the development of extensions to enhance the framework's functionality. These extensions can be written in Java, Python, using the Java JITON interpreter, or Ruby, using the Java JRuby interpreter. The Burp Suite extender modules allows for quick and easy loading of extensions into the framework, while the marketplace known as the BApp store enables downloading of third-party modules. While certain extensions may require a professional license for integration, there are still a considerable number of extensions available for Burp community. For instance, the Logger++ module can extend the built-in logging functionality of Burp Suite. Cool. Answer the questions below. Which Burp Suite feature allows us to intercept requests between ourselves and the target? The proxy Burp Suite is the most renowned aspect of Burp Suite. It enables interception and modification of requests and responses while interacting with the web application. The Burp proxy. Which Burp tool would be used to brute force a login form? The intruder. It is commonly utilized for brute force attacks or fuzzing endpoints. Intruder. A fun fact about Burp. In the early stages of creation, Burp actually had sounds while burping. And also an interesting, here we see some, let's say, development thing, which I don't know, maybe will help someone. These extensions that we can use in Burp Suite, or we can write new extensions for Burp Suite, can be written in Java or Python. We need a Java interpreter for that, or for Ruby we need a Java interpreter as well, right? It's the interpreter basically translates the code, in this case a Ruby and a Python one, it translates it to a Java one. Pretty simple. Cool, so this was the beautiful room. See you in the installation phase.